Hi, I'm Marty Nemko. This is another of my fictional short stories. This one is called On Cleaning Out My Parents' Attic. After my mom died, I knew I needed to go up to the attic to clean it out, sell stuff, donate what I couldn't sell. But I was scared. Would it mainly be pleasant nostalgia or painful reminders of my parents and my past? Well, here are some things I found. A set of jacks. I remember playing jacks with my friends. Simpler times. Who needed an iPad? My baby shoes. That reminded me both of the miracle of growth and my place toward the right side of life's conveyor belt. My second place bowling trophy. Kind of sad that it was the best award I've ever gotten. College textbooks. They look pretty untouched. Introduction to Calculus, the Oxford History of Music, Western Civilization, a source book, and the Norton Anthology of Poetry. It still had the plastic wrapping on it. Photo albums. I felt embarrassed that what moved me most weren't the photos of the people in our family, but of our first dog, Cleo, who, when we left her off the leash before we were sure she'd come on command, ran into the street and got run over. Mom's emerald sequin long dress. I loved how she looked in that dress. So did my dad. He liked helping her put on the necklace that completed the look. My dad's journal. My favorite line? I love my wife, but I get more satisfaction from work. The wall map of the world that hung for a long time in the family room. I remember liking to find faraway places with weird names. My favorite was Ouagadougou Upper Volta. It's now Burkina Faso. I used to like saying, Ouagadougou, Ouagadougou. My fourth grade report card, mainly A's. I wish A's were as easy to get in the real world, the work world. Well, some of my visits to the attic felt good, but I might just have been happier hadn't I got up there. Anyway, that's on Cleaning Out My Parents' Attic, a fictional short story. As usual, I welcome your thumbs up and accept your thumbs down. I always look forward to your comments, and especially like it if you hit the share button below. Share on your social media so that my efforts can have broader impact. And I am flattered if you choose to subscribe to my channel. And certainly would welcome you to take a look at any of my 34 books. Probably the one most relevant to this is, I guess, relationship stories or how to do life. But all 34 are on Amazon. Just go there, search on my name, Marty Nemko, Nemko, and you will find more than you can stomach. In any event, I do thank you for watching. I am Marty Nemko.